Hey party people, happy Valentine's Day. So today I'm supposed to be making a craft with Leo for Valentine's Day, but I haven't seen him in a few days and he's supposed to be here, but I'm not really sure where he is. So, oh, I think he just texted me. Yeah, this is him. He can't make it. Is everything all right? He says he got caught up in some Valentine's Day errands. Okay. What? What? I don't think Leo's gonna make it back in time to do this craft.
Oh, bonjour! Happy Valentine's Day from the City of Love. Can you guess where I am? Here you'll find the Arc de Triomphe, the Mona Lisa, and lots of amazing food. If you guessed Paris, France, then you are right. While I'm enjoying a nice day in the town, Brooke is back at Party Create HQ in Ireland with a wonderful Valentine's Day craft for you. Oh, bonjour. Ah, Paris. There's nothing more romantic than bread and cheese. Well, happy Valentine's Day. Have fun with Brooke. Au revoir.
Okay, wow, I was not expecting that. Leo, I hope you have a wonderful Valentine holiday off in Paris. Meanwhile, us here in Northern Ireland, we have a wonderful Valentine's Day craft just for you guys. Today we are making puppy Valentines. Some one-of-a-kind handmade Valentines that you can make right at home and then give to someone that you love this Valentine's Day. Here is what you will need for this craft. Colored card or construction paper, some googly eyes, craft glue, scissors, markers, a pencil, and a parent or another adult to create with you. We are making 2 different puppy Valentines today, so you can see a few different ways to decorate yours. Okay, so first we're gonna pick out your paper. I picked purple for our first puppy. Once you have your paper out, you're gonna draw a nice big heart. This is gonna be the first puppy's face. Time to cut it out. If you're making more than one puppy, trace your first big heart on another sheet of colored card. This will make the puppy's faces match. Once you're done with your big hearts, we're gonna make the ears. Draw another heart about half the size of the original heart and then cut it out. We're gonna trace this again for our second puppy's ears. Once you've cut out your smaller heart, turn it upside down and cut it in half for the puppy's ears. Take your ears and place them on either side of your big heart. These are starting to look like puppies. Next, you can put some glue down and attach the ears to the puppy's face. For the next step, I want to make the puppy's eyes stand out, so I'm taking the googly eyes and tracing a slightly bigger circle around them. Go ahead and cut out your circles. You can place them where you'd like the puppy's eyes to be. Once you have your circles placed, you can glue them down and add the googly eyes on top. Glue the back of the googly eyes and place them right in the middle. For the mouth on our puppy, I'm drawing a big smile and a heart nose. I'm gonna cut it out and paste it right onto my puppy. For the other puppy, I'm going to draw a big heart nose. I'm gonna color this one in with a permanent marker and then cut it out. Now we're gonna glue the noses to the puppies. You can add glitter, stickers, be as creative as you want. For one of our puppies, we're making a bow. Once you draw it, cut it out and add details with a marker. Glue the bow to the top of your puppy's head. Lastly, I'm going to add a smile to this purple puppy. Now that we're done, flip your puppies over and write a note to someone you love on the back. And there you have it! 2 fun little puppy Valentines. They're so cute! Well done, everyone! Great job on your puppy Valentines. You know, one of the most important things that we can do is tell our friends and family how much we love them. So make sure this weekend, when you give out your Valentines, you tell the people that you love how much you love and appreciate them. If you like this video, make sure you hit like and subscribe. Happy Valentine's Day, party people! We love you!